Hey everyone, welcome back to our grand Australian adventure. So far, we've been turning a massive pile of rocks into an epic waterfall that's starting to look like something out of a dream. We wrestled with boulders, got sandy, and ended up with something pretty spectacular. It's the end of day 4 and we're getting a special treat. The waterfall's done and John's taking us for a dip in the ocean. Because what's work without a little play, right? Sounds great, right? Well, but what the part you probably don't know about is we're going swimming in Australia and there's great white sharks out in the water. And I love you, Bride, but if I see one, you are definitely gonna be like a koi crunchy. Day 5 and it's back to the grind. This time we're focusing on the rocks around the pool and that awesome concrete wave. Yup, moving big stuff.
So this will match up nice here with his wall.
Is that wall gonna curve into that?
Yeah, so I think he comes here more and then curves it back to that one.
So he's not gonna have to take that board out to form that, is he?
No, because he can start here.
Actually, he could, I guess.
I mean, he can. They might like. That's not going. That's not.
Kind of low right
that
now.
only goes. He's a little deep, but it's fine because we got to scrape so much in.
Yeah.
Come here.
You want to come off the back of this or come out in front?
I don't know yet. If we come off the back, it's getting really wide.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter.
You got something over there that's going to work right here?
I don't know.
And then what? You want to do one or we talked about maybe doing
I think
one
there's a nice little chunk that'll fit up there to the like up higher.
Right.
And then we're gonna have to do like a group of 3 or 4 on the right hand side. So the staircase I think will fan out.
Oh, are we using that in here?
Yeah, that's why I strapped it.
That's like a waterfall rock. We're gonna run out of those framers.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot. That's the smallest one. And he didn't pull up. There's probably another dozen that he didn't unbury there.
That's actually a nice one.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
That's why it should be down here where everybody's gonna see it.
Not in the waterfall where we're looking.
No.
Thank goodness for all this sand though. It's like being an artist with a giant rocky canvas, letting us tweak and turn each rock until it's just perfect. This is gonna have to get capped on the end here with something. I'm thinking when we get this dug out,
Why do they have to even cap it? Aren't they gonna extend the deck out over this?
They are, but you need to have a rock to come into, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Otherwise, what are you gonna put here?
Oh, you mean over? You were saying here?
Yeah. Well, here we got this. We can't come on top of the fiberglass.
No.
So when we dig this, I think if we go like this way with it and really pull it over, we're gonna build this rock work right for the waterfall coming in here. It's gonna be just like a 6-inch drop.
Yeah, something small.
And then we could do the big one right there, like. And then the outside of that frame rock could probably be in the deck area.
Yep.
And then you're literally right next to it. And then from there, we can get up to the point where we got to interface that bridge. And once we get that, like we're cruising.
Yeah. These are simple waterfalls.
Yeah.
That's a tall wall.
Yeah.
Right? But there's a couple monsters over there that'll just fill that whole freaking
Well, we only got to
space.
come from like here up to here.
Yeah.
So it's not even that bad.
Yeah.
It's not like that one.
No.
Seriously, did we mention we're working with some really big stuff? Just like that, another day wraps up. But hey, the adventure's not over yet. Days are zooming by, and we want you to feel the rush. Join us for a time-lapse ride through days 6 and 7 as we start laying the groundwork for a bridge. Yeah, not just any bridge, but a centerpiece that has to be perfect. Day 8, and it's about making sure this feature looks incredible, not just from the yard, but from inside John's house as well, especially from those windows where he spends his downtime, when he's not catching waves, that is.
That way, Mike.
Right.
Stop.
Can that work? Can that work?
Can I come back some more or no?
You can go back as far as you want.
Come back to you, Mike. Looks good?
Yeah, you're pretty tight on liner on your right.
I don't have much liner there.
Yeah, so do you need to go more this way?
I can go this way.
It looks great there if you're good with liner.
I can't go that way.
I don't want you to go that way.
Okay, what do you want?
Then just go down.
Down.
Fabric?
Yeah, let's get some fabric.
It looks better to the left, but there's nothing you can do.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna beach out from this side.
Yeah, and you don't need to be any closer. And you have plenty of liner behind it.
Well, what I could do is well, it's not gonna make a difference if we twist it some more. Because there's gonna be water coming off. Really, we just leave it coming off the front, like this front here and the front left.
You could twist it and it'll keep more of the water towards the house.
I'm just afraid of like the wind taking that water and just blowing it away. You know?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not afraid.
Oh.
But I'm gonna get like a boulder out in front of it here, something to connect those two. We'll drop a big one where the camera is.
Behind the outside the liner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we'll come down like in the distance there, probably like 6-8 feet off to the left. We'll drop one out there and like big berm up behind it.
Yeah.
And then just kind of let it wash out into the landscape here. But honestly, like that looks pretty good like that.
Yeah, because it'll come off that left piece.
Yeah.
Really nice right there.
I think it's good. We could leave it right there. Just put the pipe in it and we're done.
All right. Nice.
Nice work.
Fast forward to day 9, and it's all about those finishing touches, positioning outcroppings. Turns out they were pretty much the star of the show all along. But we're gonna keep you hanging for just a bit longer for the final reveal. That's right, the end result deserves its own spotlight, and we promise it's worth the wait. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed this journey so far. Subscribe to not miss out on the grand finale, and drop us a comment below. What has been your favorite part so far?